So, hi friends, I am Nirmal, and today our topic is what is business communication, MBA first sem. So, introduction to communication. Objectives. The main objectives of this lesson is to make the students learn on the subject matter of business communications, vice versa, nature and importance. Structure, introduction, the concept of communication, significance of the communication, nature of business communication, a case study. That's lesson 2. The effective communication skill. Objective. The major objective of this lesson is to create an understanding of the minds of students regarding various communication skills and also let them know the relevance of such skills. Structure, introduction, objective of business communication, effective communication skills, summary, keywords. Lesson 3, process of communication, objects. The foremost objectives of this lesson is to generate thoughtful ideas in the student as regards the process of communications and the sequencing of the different steps that the process of communications contains. Structure, introduction, how to understand communication process, a communication misconception, the communication environment, a well-designed communication process, summary keywords. Lesson 4 of the chapter, barriers and gateways to communication. Objective, the primary objective of this lesson is to breed the attentive thoughts in the consequences of students relating to barriers and gateways in business communications and to enable them to avoid the occurrence of such events in communications that create a communication gap. Lesson 5 of the chapter, communication letters. Objective, the lesson educates the student on how to communicate clarity and effectively through commercial letters. It explains the basic skills necessary to write various types of commercial or business letters. Structure, introductions, do or don'ts of commercial letters. Lesson 6, business reports writing. Objective, the primary objective of this lesson is to make the student learn the basics of business reports and make them understand how effective reports are written. Lesson 7, oral and non-verbal communication. Objective, the main objective of this lesson is to make the students learn the basics of oral and non-verbal communication. Lesson 8, public speaking and presentation. Objective, the primary objectives of this lesson is to make the students learn about the basics of public speaking aspects in business communications. Lesson 8, public speaking and presentation. Objective, the primary objective of this lesson is to make the students learn about the basic of the public speaking aspects in business communications and to enable them to avoid the occurrence of such events in public speaking that do not add to the value of the speaker. Lesson 9, communication, negotiations and legal aspects. Objective, the most important objectives of this lesson is to make the students learn the basic of business negotiation skills in communication along with its legal aspects. Lesson 10, agency, correspondence in business. Objective, the objective of this lesson is to give the learner an understanding of agency correspondence, thereby enabling them to draft various agency related. So communication is sharing of understanding. Discuss this and bring out the process of communication. Management is a two-way traffic. It is based upon the effective machinery of communications. Discuss this statement. What are the main barriers of the organization communications? Psychological barriers of the effective communications. How do the personal opinion and prejudices of various individuals act as barriers to effective communications?